This is a lesson in automotive economics, brought to you by the Sunset Auto family. As you've probably already heard, the Fed recently reduced interest rates by 500 basis points. Or in layman's terms, that's 0.5%. Is that a big deal? It's a huge deal. Let's say you're financing $40,000 on your next vehicle. If you're saving 0.5%, here's what it looks like. $40,000 times 0.5% equals $2,000 the first year. That's a reduced payment of $167 a month. It doesn't matter what your payment is. Saving $167 a month is huge, am I right? Finance a vehicle for 5, 6, 7 or more years. That 0.5% will save you thousands and thousands. Make sense? Just stop by any Sunset Auto family dealership. Sunset Chevrolet in Sumner, Sunset Ford of Sumner, Sunset Kia of Auburn, Sunset Mitsubishi of Auburn, and Sunset Trucks in Sumner. And we'll explain all of your options. Bottom line, Sunset is going to save you a ton of money in financing. You just get more at Sunset, like transparency in financing. And people do like that.